Hi, I'm Amanda. Each monthly episode of Ohlolly Goes introduces a person, a friend, or a colleague to K-beauty products from Ohlolly. And since this month we cannot be sitting next to each other, I'll be introducing the Ohlolly Radiant Kit, which is a specially curated grouping of products to showcase for this month. So first up is the Hamish All Clean Green Foam. Now, I really love this cleanser. This was the first time that I was introduced to it. It has a very low pH, so 5.5 to be exact. It's a super gentle, everyday cleansing gel. Great for all skin, especially sensitive skin. Next is the Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner. So this is another product that I was a first-time user for this month, and I must say I really like this. So its star ingredient is aloe leaf water, which has really great soothing properties, great for redness, bumps, anything that's itchy, to just help calm it down. A very important step in my skincare routine on the daily. It is the Dr. Ceuracle 33 Ampoule. So this is a nourishing, hydrating, brightening ampoule in your regular skincare routine. When you get the ampoule out, you really are thinking it's going to be thick, maybe sticky. Not the case at all. Really, really luxurious, lightweight, absorbs into the skin very, very quickly. My skin is thirsty for it every day. It brightens, helps even out skin tones. It is a super packed ampoule with vitamins B3, B5, and then so many antioxidants. So I've noticed immediate difference in my skin texture, my brightness, skin tone. It's just, I love this. So the fourth step in the Ohlolly Radiant Kit is the Huxley Secret of Sahara Anti-Gravity Cream. So it's a super luxurious anti-aging cream. Star ingredient, prickly pear cactus, which has nourishing benefits. It's full of vitamin C and has been known to not only moisturize, but tighten and tone. So always about that. The fifth and final product in the Ohlolly Radiant Kit is the Huxley Glow and Brightness Sheet Mask. So the mask is a really cool sheet mask. It's got dual chambers with two different essences that once the essences are combined, they have a milky, creamy texture and look to them. The mask, when you put it on, immediately feels cooling. The essence will give you a cooling property and feel to your face. Prickly pear seed oil are intensely hydrating. It's a nice self-care break. The Ohlolly Radiant Kit will be available starting today, and it's got 5 products. I think that these are great for upcoming spring and summer for all skin, especially sensitive skin.